Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file directly from your mobile phone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. It's quick, easy, and you don't need a laptop. Let's start with the Google Docs method. First, open the Google Docs app on your phone. Tap the plus icon to create a new document. Now, go ahead and type or paste the content you want in the PDF. Once you're done, tap the three dots at the top right. Then select Share and Export and tap Save As. Choose PDF and tap Download. Boom, your PDF is saved on your phone. Now here's another method using the Print to PDF feature. Open any file or image you want to convert, like a note, photo, or Word document. Tap the Share icon and choose Print. When the print preview shows up, simply zoom in with 2 fingers. This will turn it into a PDF instantly. From there, tap the Share icon again and choose where you want to save it, like your Files app or Google Drive. And that's it! You've just learned how to create a PDF file using your mobile phone. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next video.